known facts about women I'll teach you so both of you can be happy, right? That's what you want, peace. It's that feeling when someone's flying over the American Ninja course, coasting through every single obstacle, only to hit that big red button and the end for victory. Are you ready? As always, take notes and listen up. I'm going to show you how to stop blowups and avoid feeling like you're a failure or questioning whether you made the right decision with your partner. Stay tuned because I'm also going to share a tool with you on how to get more peace and how to help her calm down instantly and be happy. Did you know that 69% of relationship problems are unresolvable? Can you believe that? I don't know if I believe that. But there are 5 main reasons people fight over free time, money, housework, physical intimacy, and extended family. Let's get to the tips. Tip number 1, get to know yourself. What really makes you mad? Learn how to control your own reactions. No one should ever be able to control your behavior or your reactions by what they say or do. If you're easy and an open target, the darts will fly. Number 2, take a pause and remember who you are responsible for, which is only you. You're not responsible for anyone's emotions. I know you want to fix things, especially for those who you love and especially her. You want her happy, pretty simple. But it's okay to fall back sometimes. Let her learn on her own. She has life lessons just like you. Sometimes you just can't fix everything for everybody. That doesn't mean you're a failure. Number 3, when you feel her temperature rising, ask her what she needs in the moment. Don't be afraid. I know many of you don't like when she's expressing her feelings or emotions. Get used to it. Don't take it so deep and personal that it paralyzes you. You're in a relationship with a woman. That's how she's built, to express. Now, this is big. I want you to start embracing that. She has a problem and you don't have to fix it, okay? Now, that tip I mentioned earlier to calming her down instantly is to apologize. That means that you're not necessarily admitting to the guilt, but you're apologizing for the discomfort that was created. You're creating an opportunity for the problem to be fixed and a discussion to be had for resolution. Doesn't that sound like a win-win? You can be responsible for the outcome, for easing tension and opening up a space within her to feel safe. That calms her down. Arguments are a natural part of relationships. That's just it. Okay, here's a quick recap to know how to stop blow-ups. Know yourself, ask questions, and remember, people fight over money, household, extended family, and free time. The longer you're together, the more you're going to learn about another person. These tips are not a cure-all, but they can help you in some way. You have to learn what works for you. Use what makes sense and leave the rest until later or for never. How are you using these tips to stop blow-ups in your home? If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to share it on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and all of the other places so that more people can see the videos and the more people we can help. We want to grow our community. We want to build the family. I want you to succeed in your life and at home. So right now, what do I want you to do? I want you to hit that subscribe button, share with others who could use this information, and like the video. I appreciate you with big respects. I'll see you in the next video.